Hello, hello. I think this should be working. It's been a while since last stream. I got some new lights. Wow, it's my desk lights. They're bright. To just give like a quick summary of what's gonna happen today and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow as well. It is the Neuro game jam, and I'll be joining. I'm currently going for a solo participant because I am also at the same time trying to include some what's called a university project I've been procrastinating for like, I don't know, 2 months maybe, which involves game AI. So this is like a perfect time to do that, for like do a game jam for a AI VTuber, and it's like my junior project is about game AI. Let's see if I can open up my little notepad here. There we go. So I've already started making a little game here. I should probably add game jam theme, and let's see, there we go. The theme is remnants of the past. There we go. So nice little theme. I've started working on it. I'm thinking of creating a, let's see, I'll just go to Unity actually. No use doing this. This is the normal stream, yeah. So here we go. I've created this very basic project here. Just switch up here so I don't get distracted by myself. Which it's gonna be like a top-down shooter type game. Imagine it's a bit inspired by Vampire Survivors, I think. I haven't played that game myself. I've heard it's fun though. Also maybe Risk of Rain, I guess, ish. Like a top-down shooter space type game, you know, like a bullet hell. And I've currently got some stuff working. I got this, let's see, yeah. I got this little Beetle ship, and what's this? Oh, I have a bunch of stuff that's not a star ship. That's fine. And yes, this is like the base stuff I've gotten so far. Nothing super advanced, but I'm currently working on a, what's it called? A bullet system. I'm just gonna check what the sound is like on the stream actually. I'm just gonna check what the sound is like on the stream actually. I'm just gonna check what the sound is like on the stream actually. I'm just gonna check what the sound is like on the stream actually. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just mute that quick before I blow up my sound. Let's go. So I'm currently working on the weapons and stuff to shoot the, you know, shoot the guns as we do in games. I have been creating a pool, object pool, to spawn the bullets from, or reuse rather, instantiate and then reuse the bullets. Since I want to use a lot of bullets, and that is going to give me some issues if I am not doing that properly. Let's see, where was I? Oh yeah, I just decided to start streaming randomly. I was here, I think. So we have this thing, yeah. The bullet pool manager. I don't have a fire point. The issue here now is the way I'm spawning these bullets is kind of annoying, because when I'm spawning them here in like when I need more bullets than I already have, I'm giving it a fire point and transform like rotation of the ship itself. So if I have a gun, for example, I'm currently doing it like it just shoots from in front of the ship instead of like from the point of the gun, which I think is fine. I think that's chill. The gun placement is just like cosmetic anyways. But if I wanna, let's say, have some power up which spawns a bullet on hit, that's gonna be more difficult, because then I want to spawn a bullet on where the bullet hits, but I'm only grabbing the position of the player here, like the ship. So I am currently creating a set bullet info I'm gonna call it the basic bullet info. And another one called public void set spawn point, set bullet spawn. There we go. What the fuck? Okay. Set bullet spawn. There we go. That's gonna take vector 2, 3, position, and a quaternion rotation. There we go. So I'm creating these basically to hopefully, without having an issue of it, like it visibly spawning in front of you. I hope that's gonna happen. Having the bullet like instantly get placed and get the direction needed and the speed needed from this method instead here. So I might have to do this actually. There we go. So you can see my code. Yeah, I'm feeling generous. I'll zoom in a bit. So currently I have nothing on update, but I don't think I need... Well, I do need some on collision stuff later, but currently I just have like... I spawn in the bullet, I on enable, which because I'm just enabling it again from the pool, I add a force, and I have not tested this force yet. I'm not even spawn in the bullet yet. This might all break. I have a routine, which is like the time for to live. Yeah, so let's just go here. Player bullet prefab. Bullet lifetime. Let's say 3. There we go. Or maybe let's say 1 for now. Let's see. There we go. Was I float speed? Yeah, there we go. So bullet speed equals speed, and bullet damage equals damage, and let's see, what is this thing now? It's transform. Yeah, it's like transform dot position equals position. There we go. That should work. So this basic blaster is just gonna... It just spawns it from the points of contact, so it should bullet dot set basic bullet info, and I'm gonna say that it was... fuck, what was it? It was speed and damage. Let's test like 15 speed. It's just a test for now. And I mean, damage does literally nothing so far. Let's just say 10. There we go. There we go. All right. Basic blaster. I have. Yeah, this one here. Oh wait, can't I actually? If I think about it, weapon base. Why is these playable fire points? This does appear. Fire improvement. These don't appear for some reason in the serialized field. Why not? So what if I'm just like private? Oh wait, it's because of this thing that gets set. Might be. There we go. If I just do that, that might be it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, let's... Get weapon info. There we go. Oh wait, that's not correct. And oh no, I can make this not abstract actually. There we go. Then we do this, and then we say get weapon. Cost and CD. So I return use cost and next CD. Oh, oops, like that. Now this should be active in all of the weapons that use the weapon base. There we go. So I wonder if I should attach the weapons beforehand to the player and make them available. Can I attach a weapon to the player like without having to? Let's just do this. There we go. Now if I move, yeah, that's fine. The rotation does not change. Okay, that's good to know. Okay. Let's see. Should I use the ship control? I don't think I should use the ship controller for this, right? Or should I? Yeah, maybe not. Or should I? Because it's like already aiming and stuff. No, I shouldn't, because it's unless I have something that would appear at the aim circle, which I think is really likely for it to be the case. Yeah, I'll just have it here then. Void attempt fire. There we go. All right, so let's just add these as well. Private game object. I should just say this actually. Base. Main weapon and sub weapon. There we go. So at attempt fire, it should like do some check and if check passed, it should fire the weapon. So let's do it like this. There we go. Or no, because then I'm gonna have to get the info each time, right? Should you have just two of them, like a attempt fire main sub? I think I should do that. Attempt fire main, there we go. Do some check, if check passed, I say weapon dot fire weapon. There we go. And for now, main weapon equals this one maybe. Get component from, maybe this works. Let's test it because it's attached to it. What's happening? What's the sound? Wait, what's this? Oh, that's not interesting. This might work for now. This is just temporary. temp. There we go. Have I attached the bullet? Oh, the fire point isn't attached. There we go. It's not replaying. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay, sure. Let's see here now. Bullet prefab. Lifetime 1, sure. Blast the weapon. Wait. Oh, this is this. Private flow. Then let's just flip these. I'm just gonna change this to be set speed damage. And that should be there we go. Whew. All right, so what's gonna happen if I do this now? Oh yeah, nothing, because I haven't attached anything, right? Okay, what's this? I have 2 errors. That's a good start to know. What are these? I don't know what's there right there, but we'll see soon. We'll see soon. Weapon speed 15, 10. There we go. And now ship controller update. If let's go input handler dot fire main triggered, we attempt fire main. Let's see if this works. Okay, there's something that's wrong here. Object reference not set on is an object. Your controller attempt fire main. Oh, is it this thing? Okay, let's do this then. Yep. is nothing, you know. Weapon has 14. Null reference, object reference not set to an instance of an object. Wait, am I just instantiating the script itself? Maybe is this the issue? That could be it. I have like a whole ass video of this I've been watching a bunch of. Let's see. Let me start the... Let's see if I can... Yeah, here's the video I've been looking at. It's
Or that your code is going to
oh yeah, that looks fine.
work and there's not going to...
Okay, so he's just like creating a pool of the scripts themselves. I'm confused, so like he's not spawning a prefab then? What's the bullet script itself doing? Oh wait, here we go. Get component with body 2D. Wait, do I have a rigid body attached to it first of all? Yeah, I do. Okay. What's the issue? Something is not... Wait, do I need to... Bullet spawner. There we go. I'm just gonna test these. Okay, let's see here. Attempted bullet creation. Okay, now I'll do this at least. Let's just. There we go. Sorry, I didn't show this. I just added this and this into the pools. Oh, go. What happens now? Does it even do it? Pool started. Okay. Play a bullet. Deactivate bullet timer. Okay. Should I maybe? First of all, this is a prefab. Should I remove it? What happens if I remove it? Nothing, right? Let's see. Okay. Get component requires that requested component object pool 1 derives from model behavior or component or is an interface. Unity engine game get component. Weapon base start. Weapon base 18. Okay, wait. Start. What if I change it to awake? Wait, what was the order? Oh yeah, let's see. Like that instead, because awake happens first. Okay, so this has to be the thing. Okay, what about I do this instead? I just do this straight up. Whoop. There we go. Delete you, delete you. Is there any start here? No. Let's see what happens now. Because now it should say there's an error here, right? Huh? Six. It is not showing that one. Why not? Oh, is it because it's a... No, it should be because of that. Serialize field. Object pool. Player bullet. Oh, it's because I'm not... Wait. Let's do this instead. I fucked up again. Let's see. Control C, Control V, internal object pool, play bullet pool. Yeah, that's perfect. And then script, and I'm gonna call you instead as a player bullet spawner. There we go. Then on start, I'm saying that player bullet pool equals, and then I need to make you public, hopefully. Public, okay, bullet pool, perfect. Okay, like that maybe? And then I still have to attach you. Yeah, there we go. And whoop, whoop. Alright, what happens now? It's a new error. It's a new error. We'd like to see that. I think it's the same error, right? The object you want to instantiate is null. Okay, it's a bunch of shit. I don't even know what half of this means. Let's start here. 24 player build spawners. What is this? Equals instantiate bullets prefab script. Player ship 5 point. Has this thing been changed? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait. It is... This is a start. attempted bullet creation, and it is not only attempting it is doing it. Let's fucking go. Okay, let's see. The error happens before, which I guess makes sense because this is after that. Yeah. I'll go. I should move in these ones for now. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh well, fuck. Come on, thank you. Oh. Debug log on, nice. Thank you. So, something is happening. It's a bunch of shit happening actually. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Player bullet 62. 62 is pull release this, so I guess this isn't create. That makes no sense. Is this somehow started? Okay. What's more here? Unity engine, blah, blah. Invoke, move. Okay, there's something with the coroutine, which I don't think quite understand, but that's fine. For now, 27. That's the playable at 27. Don't mind this, okay. Yeah. That one's what if I didn't do this here? I instead did it. Here. What would happen? Anything? It is moving. It's moving. Okay. Weapon speed 150. Let's see what happens. Would you look at that? So, one issue among many. The coroutine is not working. Is it started? Oh. I think the on-enable thing here is fucking us up somehow. Also, why is this never... like... why is it grey? I don't like that it's grey. I'm just gonna move this here as well. You know, there we go. I could just make like a bunch of the things in the bullet public and... okay, now nothing is working. That's cool. So this, if I move this here... okay, that's still working at least. So, let's see. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Player bullet, deactivate bullet timer, move next at 264. 64, pull release this. Is it pull or is it this? It has to be pull, right? Or is it? I think I am setting the pull to the bullet pull, which is this bullet pull, and it has been created. Which parcel? Which is it not doing correctly? Is it not doing this? I mean, it can't be this, right? Because it's... or is this not part of the player bullet somehow? Like, when is this ran? Awake. When the script instance is being... well, that's fine. On enable. when the object becomes enabled and active. Okay. Let's just look at the other error. That times 5 million, 68. Okay, that's just the fire weapon on the main weapon. Just this thing. And 14, player bullet pool. And what is the one that's the issue? Unit engine pool, object pool, get player bullet address, I guess. Master fire weapon at, yeah, number 14, shipment. Okay, 23, wait. Paper bullet equals bullet prefab script. Is there an issue that I'm creating the bullet prefab script and not the bullet itself somehow? Like, where am I using this thing? I'm just using it here, okay? But I am pulling specifically the script. What if I instead instantiated a bullet and grabbed the script from that instantiated bullet? And that should be fine because I'm creating all the bullets at once anyway, so you don't have to do the whole like song and dance of getting the component. That should be fine, right? So if we do this instead, game object player prefab, there we go. And then I say that equals component, right? Isn't it like that? Wait, component. Oh yeah, like that. Whoop. Is it this? Get component. Like that? Wait, no. What's get component doing again? We pull. This is also get. No, I don't want that. Layer, no. Get component unity. What do you do again? Game object dot get component. Oh wait, I might maybe do this instead. Dot get component, and then I say player bullet. What am I supposed to do this in? Like, I should just read the notation instead of guessing. Oh, like this. Okay. Now I'm instead grabbing the game object bullet prefab. I'm grabbing that. I'm pulling the script still by instantiating a bullet prefab. And now, wait, have I saved this? I think I did. And now if I go to the bullet prefab and then I say, there you go. Is this gonna work? Let's see if there's any errors. Nothing yet. There's still errors. Okay. And these are not being destroyed properly. Is this still fucking error? It's the exact same error, isn't it? Unit engine pool object skip player bullet ship controller attempt firing. I think. Okay, let's just test some things. Like, we say that bullet on enable. So that's being ran there. And let's just do this as well. Debug dot log and oh, whoops. Bullet awake. What the fuck is this? Oh, perfect. Okay, so if we go to the top again, first bullet awake, then the error, then on enable, and that is probably because I put on enabled after this thing which is given the error. So if I move this up now, let's go. That should make it awake, on enable, then error. Yeah. Because it's being, I mean, of course it's being run as where the error is, but this thing is getting here. And to start the coroutine, is the bullet just not awake or something? Okay, let's see here. That's the pool being set, and this should happen before this, hopefully. So if it doesn't, then that is probably the issue. Oh. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's probably the issue then. So let's see, you can see it here. First, the bullet awakes, then it's enabled, then the reference exception then the problem happens, and then we set the pool. So since this thing is this thing here happens before this happens, and okay, so this should happen quickly, but it's not. Can I create a bullet not awake somehow? Okay, what if we instead say this? Play bullet, and we, instead of having it here on the enable, we create something called public void start bullet life timer. Bam. We just straight up move you. Boop. 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 And let's just, you know, debug.log, and we say bullet start life timer. And here we say bullet dot game object dot, no wait, start bullet life timer. There we go. What if we do this instead? Let's see. So this should hopefully first create the bullets. Is it saved? Yeah, it is. And then after that, it creates the... Now it just doesn't spawn at all. Why not? Why is the coroutine so important to the existence of the fucking bullet? Oh wait, I have an idea. Is it perchance? God fucking damn it. It's so fucking annoying. Wow. Insane. That was it. That was literally fucking it. Ugh. Okay, let's see. First things first. Let's just mess around with the rigid body here. And you drag 1. Let's do that first of all. Okay. And then mass 0.1. This is gonna happen. What's gonna happen now? Oops. I think this just... Yeah, I mean this is pretty cool though. And now all of these are just chilling. Hell yeah. And I don't think it is even like going... I mean it should go all the way down, I guess. Yeah. Okay. But this is probably too much. Actually, let's do this instead. 25 maybe? So we just divide by 10 and divide mass by 10, it should be the same, so let's do something else. Okay, that's too little. But it's kind of fun to see. 100. Let's just test that. Let's test this 0.2. What happens if I interpolate? Wait, let's turn off interpolate. Not that much of a change, let's be honest. Okay, now there's something I know which is like a way to like let's just open this thing again on screen. There we go, this video. Wrong one, this one.
Our instantiate methods.
Yeah.
Next theme, something that feels a little gross, but if we don't,
Yeah,
and replace all of the destroy methods. Particle system, make sure that the stop action on the particle as soon as we particles to pool
This is kind of interesting.
system is set to callback.
Alright.
Create as many of these as you want, but think of each of these almost like a folder. It's going to be an empty game object that we're going to parent
Okay.
our pooled objects to. I'm just going to set up these two and none at the end.
I am probably just gonna do this, I'm just gonna say the player bullet pool manager is the folder he's talking about. So I'm just gonna, wherever he like puts this, I'm just gonna go into the into this thing here, just say, put it there. Put it there,
Make sure we
pal.
create a static reference to this. So first, we need to have an actual empty game object to put all of these objects in. So in our awake function, let's call a setupEmpties method, which we'll now create. So for each enum type, set up a corresponding private static game object. So now let's create a new game object for each of those variables, and we'll parent the particle effects and the game object's empties to the object pool's game object. Okay, so as soon as we start the game, those empties will get created now. Now to actually put stuff into the correct one, let's set up a static method with a game object return type called setParentObject with a pool type parameter. And create a switch statement in there. Object, then return the game object. And if it's none, then return null. So now back in our spawn object method, right above where we instantiate a new game object, we're going to create a parent object by passing in pool type. And to do this, we'll need to pass in a pool type up here as well. Now let's default it to none. That way it's optional and we don't have to enter anything if we don't want to. So now that we have a parent object, let's say if it's not null, we'll parent our spawnable object to it.
Okay, that's how you do it. So I guess right here probably. We say bullet not transform set parent. Oh, it you can't see again. I should probably move this somewhere better. Like here. Probably.
Now if we go back,
yeah, it was like just the transform, right? So I set let's say like that, maybe. Let's just see here. Does this work? Okay, so it does work. Perfect. Now I got these in here, so I can do that, and then I can go. Okay. Alright, that works perfect. Now I need to get on this fucking shit. Okay. Now I can spawn bullets. I need to add some kind of like... yeah, I need to do this more later. Ship controller. Okay, so... I don't want to grab that reference every time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some floats here. Private float. Main cooldown. Private float. Yeah, okay, actually that makes sense. And private float. Main cost and subcost. Okay, so let's say attempt fireman. Okay, so let's do this then. For now, we're gonna say we're just gonna ignore that. So, what is the cooldown on this guy? Have I created a cooldown yet? Basic blast weapon. Use cost 5. Cooldown 1. Perfect. There we go. So attempt. Oh, it's going to be an update, right? Yeah. This is gonna be fucking messy, but it's fine. Private float sub remain CD, there we go. No, wait. I can start a coroutine here, right? Smart me. Private bool main ready. Private bool sub ready. And these are gonna be true at the start. True. And if main ready or there we go. So this should maybe do some like error sound. And if I don't return, I just fire the weapon. And I also say that weapon energy minus main cost and main ready equals false. And then I would also start the coroutine here for starting the cooldown. So to create a coroutine, this might be stupid. I'm not sure if this is stupid or not. And then we have to look at this thing again. How to do this? Private enumerator. Yep. Start main cooldown. Time is less than... Okay, now I am realizing that I don't really have to check the cooldown, right? I can do this, I just do it whenever I fire, so I could just... I honestly could just grab the... Should I? No, I'll just keep like this for now. I feel like I'll maybe do slightly less. While elapsed time is less than the cooldown, I add to the elapsed time, and then when that is done, I say that main ready equals true. There we go. And what's it called, like starts cooldown or something? No, what was it called again? Coroutine main is called main cooldown routine. Equals start main cooldown, like that. Wait, how do I do this for the bullet? Oh, just like that. Oops, start. Okay, let's do this then. Like that, I think. And let's do this. Debug.log and main cooldown started. Cool. Ended. And then let's move this down actually. There we go. And let's say main fired remaining energy. And then we say weapon energy. There we go. And let's go down here again. And remove you and remove you, because I already know about this now. I might have to remove, like, I have to look at what I need those for later. Dun 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 dun. Oh, what's this? Oh, no. So I can't help but notice that this isn't doing shit. Is that per chance because I'm never assigning cooldown? That could be it. That could be it. It is it. Start is... Yeah, it's after a week, right? I'm gonna set this there then, for now. I'm gonna say that main cooldown is equal to main weapon dot oh yeah, wait, isn't this the thing I did here? Get to my cost cooldown. Yeah, I just do this and I say I think I actually can do this if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is probably fine, right? Let's just hit it with the debug.log and say there we go. I can't help but notice there's no... Okay, wait. It's fucking working. Yes! Okay, now to figure out how the fuck to... I feel like I've done... I have to remember how to do this. Let's just create a 2D object. It's gonna be a circle for now. There you go, boop. And you are, oops, really close. There we go. Temp enemy, there we go. Hello, temp enemy. Layer enemy. Okay, so you are getting a circle collider. And this is... It's gonna be a trigger, because I don't want all the fucking enemies to bump into each other. It's gonna be annoying and not fun. So on the player bullet update, I don't have to care about update because it's just like once fired. On collision enter unity, let's see how does this work again. For each let's see. Void on collision enter, collision. Can I somehow set up to... I guess I can't because I need to... like I can't check that it's hitting some correct thing without checking if it's hitting anything. I was thinking if it's like on collision enter 2D maybe? Okay, that makes sense. And now to get layer, it's if collision dot game object dot layer equals enemy, right? That's correct. Wait. Oh, I'm not sure if that's good to show or not. I'm just gonna move you actually. There we go. I don't think there's anything. I'm just gonna look at this. So I didn't actually then see if I can leak something. That looks fine. Okay. I'm putting down you down there. So I guess I could just check the layers and say that enemy 7 and say 7. And then you should do that instead. Maybe it's not gonna work. No. Let's just check the bullet for a second. It does have a collider, and it's also just trigger. Wait. Doesn't this have to be like specifically like if you have 2 triggers, it doesn't work or something? 2 collision trigger. Okay, let's just add a rigid body 2 as well. For now. Is this gonna change literally anything? No, it's not. Oh yeah, I forgot to check if... let's do this then. Max cooldown 0.1. And cost 15, there we go. Okay, it works. Nice. 0.5 for now, and cost 1. There we go. But like on collision enter. Wait, what is this? I should probably read this. On collision enter is called when this collider rigid body has begun touching another rigid body or collider. In contrast to on trigger enter, on collision enter is past the collision class and not a collider. The collision class contains information, for example, about contact points and limit velocity. Okay, so I should have on trigger enter probably, because I don't care about all of this stuff of like velocity and things. Call when a collider with the collider is trigger property overlaps another collider. On trigger enter is invoked when 2 game mixer collider components touch or overlap. And one of the collider components has the collider is trigger property enabled. A trigger card doesn't register collisions with an incoming rigid body. And doesn't collide with any other games that have colliders on them. The events are invoked during simulation, which happens after objects stop taking a physical call or within the scope of physics and difference. Wait, kinematic. I should put that as well when I'm at it. Play bullet. Can I see what type of stuff this does? I think wait. Static, kinematic. I don't know. Let's just use this for now. Wait. It just fucking works like that, huh? It's just that simple. Alright, that's good, step one. Do I want to have anything else that isn't like an enemy be damageable? Is the question now, I guess. Because if I don't care, I could just not care, I guess. Game will get component. I think I should make the fucking what's it called again? It's called like interface, right? Unity damageable interface. I think it's literally the same guy I remember seeing. No. What is the fucking... Where is it? Blah, blah, blah. Is it part of another video? Because I'm looking at the guy's YouTube channel that I think I saw it on. And I can't find anything. Now the question is, was it like, is the part of another video? So, maybe one of the bullet ones. Not the tractor line, no, not health bar. Object pulling, no, not object pulling. 2D shooting. It has to be 2D shooting. Okay. Let's open up this thing. There we go, this video. Hi, guy.
Aim and shoot projectiles in the direction of the mouse cursor. By the end, we'll have our little character damaging enemies with our ranged combat system. And we can choose from 2 kinds of ranged attacks. And we're going to do this in the Unity game. Some particles. Maybe place some
Here we go. Part void on trigger enter 2D calculation. If sure.
Found it. It's really quick. I'm going to add a box collider 2D on there. Okay, there we go. Now inside of our prefabs in our bullets actually damaging our enemy. And I'm going to show you in the easiest possible way, and it is also the most flexible. So our enemy literally has nothing, just a box collider. Inside our scripts, I'm going to create a new folder called enemy. I'm going to create a new script called enemy. And I'm going to leave that blank just for a moment, but I am going to add that script to our enemy. Now in scripts, I'm going to create one more folder and call it interfaces. And inside there, I'm going to create a script called iDamageable.
Okay, I'm just going to have a lot less order in mind. I'm just going to say iDamageable. There we go. There we go. And let's just create enemies. There we go. And I'm moving it in there. And I'm saying, what the fuck happening now? Oh, there we go. Temp enemy. There we go. Because I want to have just like a temporary script. Because I'm going to have to do a lot of work on the enemies specifically. Because that is like the entire point of the AI course I'm doing for uni. Which is why I'm doing this in the first place. Let's see.
So this will be the shortest
iDamageable
you've ever seen in your life. Let's open that up and get rid of this startup stuff.
Perfect.
Mono behavior.
Hell yeah.
Colon. This is not a class. This is an interface. And what we're going to do is say public void damage. And let's pass in a float called damage amount. And that's all we need for this script.
Perfect. Public void damage. Yes. Float damage. Oh, whoops. Amount. Wow. Epic coder.
Let's go back to our enemy script. So here is how an interface works. We are essentially going to be able to add it to this enemy class, just like mono behavior here. Right beside, we're going to add a comma and add iDamageable. You're immediately going to see that that gives you an error because we are not implementing our interface. Anything, this is a method here, right? Because it's a public void. Anything that we add into an interface has to be implemented into whatever script is implementing that interface. It doesn't matter how many methods are inside of this interface. If we want to add this interface to enemy here, we have to implement every single one of those methods, even if they're blank and we don't actually do anything with them. So we can add that by right-clicking, go into quick actions, and just implement interface. All that's going to do is create an actual public void damage float damage amount. It'll make it match this exactly. So now we have a damage function inside of our enemy. I'm going to very quickly add some health in there. Okay, so we've got a serialized field private float max health. I'm also going to create a private float called current health. And in our start function, we're going to make our current health equal to our max health. And inside of our damage function, we can actually apply some damage by saying our current health is minus equal to damage.
What's the damage on this thing? Let's see. Damage 10. So that should be free. It's okay.
Amount, and if our current health is less than or equal to 0, well then let's just destroy this game object. Now this seems counterintuitive at first because we had to create a whole second script just to be able to add this damage function to our enemy. Why would we do it this way? It seems really weird. And the reason we do it that way is if we go back into bullet behavior and we scroll down to our on trigger enter 2D function right here at the damage enemy part, normally you would be trying to grab a reference to this actual enemy script here to apply the public damage function, and that will work totally fine. We could do that, except what if you have multiple things in your scene? What if we have barrels and tables and chairs and just other breakable things throughout the scene? that we want these bullets to be able to destroy. If we're grabbing a reference to our enemy script, that is not going to work. And if you start throwing in a whole bunch of if statements, trying to find the tag of the game object that you're damaging, then every single time you want to add an item into your game that is damageable, you're going to have to go back to this bullet behavior script, and you're going to have to add new if statements and all of that stuff, and it's just a pain. What we can do instead is not look for the enemy component, we can look for the I damageable component. We're going to grab I damageable, called I damageable is equal to collision.gameObject.getComponent I damageable. And
having to get a component over time seems annoying, but I'm not sure how to do it otherwise. Collider dot game object. Yeah, perfect.
And then we can say if the I damageable does not equal null, then we actually damage our enemy. So I damageable dot damage. And finally, what's our damage amount? Well, let's throw up a couple of floats up here as well. Let's actually separate this out so that we can apply different damage amounts based on whether this is a normal or physics bullet. So under normal bullet stats, let's...
Yeah. He's doing this a bit different for me. I'm just gonna say bullet damage. There we go. Is this gonna maybe work then? If I just grab a temp enemy and I say, hey, there you go. Is this gonna work? So 3 shots should be enough. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it did work. Perfect. Okay, easy. Now I need to do something that's less easy. I'm gonna have to let's see if there's something more actually.
Really initialize our bullet stats. So if our bullet is equal to bullet type dot normal,
this is actually
our
good.
damage amount. Well, let's throw up a couple of floats up here as
This
well.
is actually kind of necessary for me to know, since I'm doing this right now anyways.
Based on whether this is a normal or physics bullet. So under normal bullet stats, let's create a serialized field. Private float normal bullet damage. Let's default that one to 1. And under physics bullet stats, let's go over here and create a serialized field. Private float physics bullet damage. Let's default that one to 2. And then let's just create a private float called damage. And we can update this damage float to be equal to either this or this when we actually initialize our bullet stats. So if our bullet is equal to bullet type dot normal, we can say our damage is equal to normal bullet damage. And if it's a bullet type dot physics, well then our damage is going to be equal to physics bullet damage. And then under I damage.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be easier than to just do the whole setting stuff here with these methods. I might have this be called like activate bullet instead. So in this weapon, oh wait, I could do this actually, because I know that these first of all could be moved here, right? And then you can have like fire weapon in weapon base. That's like the standard initialization. And well, yeah, honestly, that's probably it, right? That might be enough. And then I could have like a extra thing which gets called if I need it. I don't know. What I'm mostly worried about is how I'm gonna instantialize like a bullet that does something cool when it hits target. I gotta like return the hits and stuff like that. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to create a object to, okay, if I want to have power-ups, like items, like, I don't know, like a Risk of Rain type deal. And I want to say like, oh, when you hit an enemy, it does something when you hit it, add a chance. Then I gotta return the hits, I guess the information to an object on the player which holds the script of the item, the power-up. Then I hold like a bunch of them. The question is, should I don't think I should start all of them. Or should I? I don't know. I'll have to figure that out soon, I guess, today sometime. Okay, first things first. You, weapon speed and weapon damage. You're going here, because of course you are. I'm moving you here. Moving this around a bit, and then I'm saying header, and this is like that. Is this changing anything here? Yes, it is, but that's fine because I'm gonna say this is virtual, which makes it so I can override it if I want to. So like if I do, let's say I do this, let's see, public virtual void, and I remove you. Does it give me the information of virtual does? Hello? Void public. It just says nothing. Cool. Weapon speed, weapon damage. Yeah, sure. But now I'm gonna go in here in the player bullet, and I'm gonna say public to all of it, because fuck it, I don't care anymore, honestly. Or I just have some kind of some starting point thing here. I'm gonna review. There you go, bye-bye. You're nothing. You're nothing, weapon blaster. Let's see. Should I... Do I want it to shoot from the bullet, like from the gun or from the in front point? I think it probably is better if I just do it from the in front point, right? Like I have no changes when you grab weapons, really, because that would be annoying, I think. Oh yeah, this has to be changed. Prefabs probably, maybe. No. Oh, I haven't saved it yet, or have I not? Oh, I think I... Oh no, I haven't. So... Oh no, it's just... It's fine. That's fine. But if I just do it now, is it gonna work? Probably. Yeah, it seems like it's working out. Okay, cool. Cool. Wait, yeah. Okay. 0.2 probably. Let's test this out. At this point, why do I even have drag, you know? Can I put this to 0? I can. Yeah, I'll probably keep it at 0. That's fine. And then oh, wait. Oh no, it saves it, nice. Like that. Yeah, and I probably should raise the life of the bullet to like 2 seconds. There we go. And now we can see in our little bullet pool manager here. Okay, so by adding this instantiate thing to the bullet itself, no, to the gun, I mean, I can technically just have a start function, which I can remove on enable, right? Yeah, so I have start bullet lifetime here, and I can remove update. Doesn't really do anything right now. And yeah, sure. Weapon base. Yeah. So what if when here, let's see, create bullet. Can I somehow on grab bullets from pool? Oh yeah, I guess it doesn't set it active. Let's see. Awake. On enable is later, but let's just test this. For oh wait. Int I equals 0. I is 50. There we go. Just like a normal ass for loop. What is this gonna do? Okay, that spawns them there. So what if I instead, when I create bullet, instantiate it? But I here say that, no I don't, I start bullet lifetime, yeah. Do we really need anything here? Action on get. Okay, this is what happens when I use the get thing. If I remove this here, like I could just remove these entirely, right? If I wait, I think it's just if I just do nothing, right? Like that, and weapon base, fire weapon. Wait, how does it go again? I just do this, right? Yeah. Okay. No, I don't think it's gonna. No, those still are just there. And now they don't despawn. So what if I on create bullet I say bullet dot game object set active, and I say you're not active when you get created. You're only active when I tell it to be active from a weapon. Is this better or worse? Like, is it gonna... Okay, so now there's none of them. And now nothing is happening. Like, what the fuck? Why are some of them? Okay, wait, what the fuck? Weapon base, set board spawner. Yeah, this is fine. And I think I'm not setting the these. Okay, let's see. And this is just fire point, and wait, what if I don't think this is gonna work though, because no, wait, it might actually, because the fire point is moving with the ship, maybe. I don't know, we'll see, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, so update does not work. It does, however, do that. Okay. So obviously we need to move this down here. And because I was giving it a force of a speed, and it didn't have like a position rotation. It's still not working. Is that because I need to move set active to the top, maybe? So it's active and know what's happening? Maybe? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, okay, that probably was it, I guess. So now I create 50 bullets when the game starts. Of the player bullets. And then this happens. Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's do what? Let's go shopping. No. Let's go gambling. It is 18 here. I might take a dinner break, honestly. Because after this, wait, let's check the notepad. So shooting and weapon CD is done, that works. Energy and consuming it. I'm gonna put this on like kinda done. I need to create enemy with basic behavior and create voids. The voids are gonna be like the main focus. One of them, because it's like the swarm, which is like the name for the, what's it called? The fan base, the community. I don't know what's called. The group of people. Somebody's supposed to voids as like drones, I guess, that's swarming around. And it's also part of the assignment. It's mainly because it's part of the assignment, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. So, yeah, that's the plan. And then after that, I'm gonna try to do the energy thing. I'm gonna have to like update your energy and like recharge it. And I'm probably gonna have shields somehow. and your movement is gonna cost energy, maybe. The question is if it's just movement, or is it like boosting that's gonna cost energy? And another question is, should I separate the shields, the engines, and the weapons, or should it all be from the same pool? I am thinking that I don't know. I'll see what feels right. I'll probably go and oh, now you can see me. Let's see. Oh well, I don't know. I opened my own stream. That's depressing. Or did I? Wait. Yeah, I did. I'm gonna take a break here now. Get some food. Oh yeah, there's music. It's supposed to be music. I'm gonna take a break. I'll probably take like half an hour, because I gotta maybe look up some other things. I'll probably do some coding in the meantime, but I'll be back in like an hour. Probably. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Where's OBS? Oh, here's OBS. Goodbye, stream.